Here's how to enter recovery mode on a 2020 Mac product built with an M1 chip. So here we are on Apple's support website. What to do before you sell and give away or trade your Mac. This involves entering recovery mode. So first, you can do steps 1 through 6, which are pretty self-explanatory. Then option 7 is erase your hard drive and reinstall macOS. Simple enough. So you click this link and it'll bring you to a new page that says how to erase your Intel-based Mac. Well, you might be thinking, what if I have an M1 Mac? Well, unfortunately, Apple's support website doesn't have that. So you'll have to watch videos like these to figure it out. The difference between an Intel Mac and the M1 Mac is pretty simple. So on the Intel Macs, it tells you to press Command R to bring Mac into recovery mode. This will not work on the M1s. Instead, what you want to do, very simply, is hold the power button from an off state and continue to hold it until you get to recovery mode. That's pretty much it, and I wish Apple's support website would have said that. So from here, you can go into options, and as you can see, it'll bring you to a screen that looks exactly like the support site. From there, you can continue on with these steps. So, hope you learned something. I didn't from this support website, so I'm going to choose helpful, no. Thanks, guys.